Hey everybody, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. It is Thursday afternoon and I'm so happy that the rain stopped. It literally has been raining heavy all morning and the rain has stopped. We're gonna jump right into the video before the rain starts again. I believe the rain is going to stay with us here in Southern California for a couple of days over the weekend, and I hope I'm able to get some few pockets of sunshine so I'm able to go ahead and film content for the channel. So without further ado, I wanted to go ahead and talk about a little plant haul and these things I picked up before I went to Egypt, and I just kind of had them on the side, and I thought it'd be fitting to share it with today's video because I wanted to do a rainy day project. Now with my whole collection wet and everything wet in my space, and a lot of my plants I did put into my home this morning when it started raining, I wanted to just kind of do some drilling for a bunch of pots that I already have in my collection just sitting and waiting, as well as my new planters or things that I will make into planters. So let's go ahead and talk about the haul. These are a bunch of terracotta planters that I picked up again from Daiso, Japan. I guess I've been going there lately for terracottas, and everything in that store is $1.50, which I think is very reasonable for planters. And these have been just sitting in my potting bench waiting for a new baby to get paired up with. So we'll see when that happens. I know I do have a bunch kind of hanging around and floating for the next Planting with Jewelyn episode, but I do want to talk about these little ceramic bowls. So if you watch my channel, you know I like to turn things into planters. I love going to big department stores and looking in their kitchen section and seeing what I can turn into planters, like these guys here. So these were bought from Daiso, Japan as well. I bought them out and they're just little baking dishes. They were priced for $1.50 each. So I thought it'd be fitting to go ahead and share them in today's video, as they are nice, soaked and wet. So I thought it'd be fitting to go ahead and drill them up in today's video. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think this will look so cute on my DIY shelf, both in front of my home and inside my patio. Go ahead and work on a rainy day project. I thought it'd be fitting to drill up planters while everything is wet, and when the sun is shining, we'll go ahead and plant up babies. So here are the planters that I want to go ahead and drill up holes in. They've been in my collection for a while now and they do not have holes. Now some of them are thrifted and some of them were purchased brand new. And if you're new to my channel and haven't watched any of my drilling videos, go ahead and check out my description bar. I have a link to my Amazon homepage down there where you can see where I got my drill bits, and you can go ahead and purchase them through my affiliated link. I'll go ahead and link that as well in the description box. And I've had no problems using this drill set. Now you do need these diamond drill bits. They're very inexpensive, and I know a bunch of you guys has purchased them through my affiliated link, so thank you guys so much. There's 3 different sizes, and I have my drill plugged in and ready to go. I love using this drill set because it comes in 3 different sizes, and I believe we'll use all of them today. Also, 2 things that I find that is very helpful for me is having Evie's pad underneath the pots. You can also use a towel as well as a bottle of water, so you can go ahead and place the water onto the surface before drilling. So these are the 2 things I like having. So I'm really excited to drill up all of these planters. It looks like we have 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, find it inspiring, and also let me know down in the comments below, what would you fill in these little cute planters? I'm thinking little succulents or little cactus babies, but probably like little succulents I think would look super cute in here. Alright, so I have my apron on and I'm just gonna go ahead and place Evie's pad under. As you can see, everything is wet because it was pouring rain all morning. I love having Evie's pad as my little workstation because it's easy for me to clean up. I'll just go ahead and throw this away, and it helps me have a nice grounded surface for the ceramic planters. So I have my 5 little guys here, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the smallest drill bit. So let's see how quick I can get through this. I like to add a little water to the surface, and I'm going to go at an angle here. out the surface here. Okay, I feel like something's happening. All right, let's go ahead and continue. Oh my goodness, that took forever. So here is the hole. That took forever. So let's move along. My hand is cramping up. I'm gonna give these guys a break and let's work on this one next. See how this one goes. Hopefully a lot quicker. I think I'm gonna switch out for a bigger. I think this guy would look good. Yeah. That took forever. It's so crazy. I didn't think it would take that long for me to drill through that. Here we go. All right. So again, start at an angle here. So here I have my drill at an angle and I'm just gonna work here until I get a dent and then I'll slowly move the drill bit over in the center. Wow, that took forever too. So here is the next one. Let's see how fast this goes. All right. All right, I feel like I'm almost there. That took forever. All right, so there's that. Let's go ahead and do this one. See how quick I can get through this. All right, so I've been drilling now for maybe 10 minutes. I feel like it's almost there. Jeez, that took a while. These pots are very thick, so they're taking a while to drill. I have... Ooh, this one is probably going to take a while. Let's go ahead and do this one next. Switch it up to bigger size here. And let's hope this doesn't take more than 10 minutes. The average drilling time for these planters so far has been at least 10 minutes. Wow, that was the quickest one yet. Okay, see this guy here. Smallest one. Let's lock the drill. This is a good size here. Okay, here we go. Unlock the drill. Add some water. Here we go. So this took about 10 minutes to do. I'm glad that is done. Now these guys here, oh, I don't know, they're very stressful because they take so long to drill. Okay, so here's the second one. That took forever. These little guys take the longest out of all of the planters that I did today. So I'm trying to get them drilled up as soon as possible so I can move along with my next task of the day. But these little guys, they are crazy. They're thick. Start up this guy here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's DIY rainy day project, drilling up a bunch of planters, a little bit of new and a little bit of old planters that just have been sitting in my collection, and I hope that inspires you. Again, my affiliated link for the drill bits will be down below in the description bar. Go ahead and click on that. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and stay tuned to see what I plant up in these little planters. I do have 2 more left to drill, but these take so long to drill through compared to all of the other planters that I drilled up in today's video. So I'll probably do it off camera because it's just taking way too long for me to drill through them, but I got a few done. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I got 5 existing planters that have just been sitting in my collection, both new and thrifted, drilled up today, as well as the little guys that I just recently got right before I went to Egypt. I hope this video inspires you. Maybe on your next rainy day you can go ahead and do this DIY project. I'll try to go ahead and do these drilling videos maybe once a month to keep you guys inspired. I definitely have a lot of planters or things that I want to turn into planters that I will drill up in the future. If you guys are new to my channel, hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified whenever I do an upload. And before we go ahead and end today's video, let's go ahead and do today's plant friend shout out, because yesterday I was in a rush to go to work to teach my last client of the day and I didn't get to do one for yesterday's video. So let's go ahead and do today's plant friend shout out. Alright, so today's plant friend shout out is going to go to New Lee, if I'm pronouncing that correct, Nhule. This was posted up 6 days ago, and it says here, thank you for working so hard during your vacation to get these videos up, but please take some time off if you ever need to. We love and support you whether you post a video per day or per month. Also, I'm glad that you seem to be having a great time in Egypt. So thank you so much for leaving that comment. And yes, I am taking some time out for myself starting today. I have my new schedule and I am going back to some of the things that I absolutely love doing, which is yoga. So I've been doing yoga for 20 years and I went back to my yoga class, which I absolutely love, here in Santa Monica, and I went to my 7 a.m. class, which I haven't done for, I want to say, a year or so, and it's something I've been doing for at least 7 years while I was living here in Santa Monica over the 9 years. So I did take a break because of the fitness club, but now I can go ahead and start my morning with yoga, which is really nice. So yes, I'm taking some time out for me. Watching my videos lately, I did mention in the last 2 videos about my schedule change and my life update, which is really nice because I was able to go ahead and take care of myself first thing in the morning, take care of the channel, and now I'm gonna go ahead and switch up into my work clothes for the night and teach 3 of my group classes, and I love teaching, so that's definitely something, another passion of mine. But thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If you guys are interested in any of my Planting with Jewelyn merchandise as well as any plant orders, reach out to me on a direct message on Planting with Jewelyn. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!